I remember times I said yes when my whole body was saying no. Times I explained myself to people who never tried to understand me. I thought being liked was safety. I thought approval meant peace. It doesn't. I remember staying longer than I wanted, talking more than I needed, laughing at things that didn't feel funny, not because I cared, but because I didn't want tension, didn't want to disappoint, didn't want to be the bad guy. Funny thing is, when you keep everyone comfortable, you're usually the one bleeding inside. People-pleasing isn't kindness. It's fear dressed up as being nice. Fear of rejection, fear of being misunderstood, fear of standing alone. And the price you pay is your voice, your time, your energy. They underlisten. You bend yourself. They stay rigid. You lose sleep, trying to keep the peace with people who sleep just fine, disrespecting you. Here's something I had to learn the hard way. The right people don't need explanations, and the wrong people won't respect them anyway. You don't owe clarity to those committed to misunderstanding you. Every time you betray yourself for acceptance, something inside you gets quieter. And every time you tell the truth, even when your voice shakes, something inside you stands taller. That's alignment. That's self-respect. That's spiritual strength. Stop auditioning for roles you don't even want. Stop shrinking so others don't feel small. You weren't made to be digestible. You were made to be real. I'm not saying become cold. I'm saying become honest. Say less. Mean more. Walk away when it's not aligned. The moment you stop people-pleasing is the moment your life starts responding to you. That's when you take your power back. You've got this. And as always, keep retaining your life force. Energy King.